going on, folks? I'm about to show you how you would change out your windshield wipers on a 2019 Ford Fiesta. It's probably the same from about the 2012, 2011 all the way up to 2019. All you got to do pretty much is pick up your windshield wipers like this. And once you pick it up, you'll click a square button right here. Take your finger or a screwdriver or something, press that square button in and pull up on your windshield wipers like that, and they'll come off just like that. Quick, easy job. When you get the new ones, you want to orientate them just like this. Where you see this little push part lined up, take it in like that and kind of slide it down like that until that button pops into that spot right there, and you'll pretty much be done. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would change out your windshield wipers on a 2018 Ford Fiesta. It's pretty much the same process for the 2011 all the way to the 2019. Alright, please check out our other videos and please subscribe. Thanks.